Welcome to the Genius Zone. In this video we will be talking about climate change, what you need to know. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues facing our planet today, and it's critical that we all understand its causes, impacts, and potential solutions. In this video, we'll delve into the science of climate change, explore its impacts on the environment and society, and discuss what we can do to address this global challenge. So, let's get started. 1. What is climate change, and how does it work? Climate change refers to long-term changes in global climate patterns, such as temperature, precipitation, and sea level rise. The main cause of climate change is the buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, particularly carbon dioxide, which traps heat and warms. From a variety of sources, including the burning of fossil fuels for energy, deforestation, and agriculture. As the concentration of greenhouse gases continues to increase, so does the Earth's temperature, leading to a host of impacts on the environment and society. 2. What are the impacts of climate change on the environment? Climate change has a range of impacts on the natural environment. One of the most noticeable impacts is the loss of ice, including glaciers and sea ice, which is causing sea levels to rise. This is a major threat to coastal communities, as it can lead to flooding and erosion. Climate change also affects ecosystems, including biodiversity loss, species migrations, and changes in the timing of natural events like the blooming of flowers and migration of animals. It can lead to more frequent and severe weather events, such as droughts, floods, and hurricanes, which can cause widespread damage to homes, infrastructure, and the economy. 3. How does climate change impact society? Climate change also has significant impacts on society, including threats to public health, food and water security, and economic stability. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns can exacerbate air pollution and trigger heat-related illnesses. Climate change can also lead to food and water shortages, as droughts and floods can damage crops and water supplies. This can lead to conflicts over resources and displacement of people. In addition, climate change can impact economic growth and stability by disrupting industries such as agriculture, fishing, and tourism. 4. What can we do to address climate change? There are many actions we can take to address climate change. One of the most significant is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by transitioning to cleaner forms of energy, such as wind and solar power. We can also conserve energy by reducing our consumption and using more efficient appliances and technologies. We can support policies and programs that encourage the transition to a low-carbon economy, such as carbon pricing, renewable energy incentives, and building codes that promote energy efficiency. Finally, we can educate ourselves and others about the impacts of climate change and the actions we can take to address it. 5. What are the challenges we face in addressing climate change? While there are many actions we can take to address climate change, there are also significant challenges. One of the most significant is political will, as some leaders and governments are resistant to taking action on climate change due to concerns about costs and the impact on their economies. There are also technical challenges, such as developing and deploying new technologies that can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Finally, there is a need for global cooperation, as climate change is a global problem that requires collective action. Conclusion. Climate change is a complex and pressing challenge that requires urgent action. By understanding the science of climate change, its impacts on the environment and society, and the actions we can take to address it, we can work towards a more sustainable future for ourselves and future generations. Together, we can make a difference and protect our planet. Thank you for watching.